Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sumaira Anjum, studying second year diploma at HCET Guntur. This is the video where I gave the third semester exams of diploma. So just grab a snack and get ready to experience the most hectic days of my second year diploma. So without any further delay, let's get started. So we started our preparation for semester exams at home, and meanwhile we had to get our hall tickets signed. So one day we got that, and I saw these beautiful artificial flowers on my way back home. So me and mama just got few of them and came back home. Good morning. Tomorrow is my maths exam and revision is going on. I'm doing my second chapter and my first chapter was completed yesterday, and how I'm studying is मैं वॉइस ओवर में बोलती हूँ. नाउ आई एम डूइंग द सेकेंड चैप्टर. इसमें मेरे को एरियाज, RMS, ट्रेपेजॉइडल ऑल दोस कवर करने का है. एंड लेटर आई रिवाइज द थर्ड चैप्टर, Bernoulli's, linear D, all that I'll revise, and let's do previous year papers. Let's do a lot of previous year papers today, okay? So hoping for the best. This time we're not gonna lose, we're not gonna give chance for the corrector to cut marks in my paper. So yeah, let's just go. Bye. So how I was preparing for maths exam was that I already completed third and first chapters previously. So I only had to do the second chapter. So I did that, and at this point I was feeling like I almost forgot the third and first chapters. So I also started practicing them. I completed revising the whole classwork. So practice करते करते सुबह से शाम कब हो गई पता ही नहीं चला. And also solving the previous year papers gave me a lot of idea about how tomorrow's exam is gonna be, and that really helped me in the exam also. So done with maths for the day. The time is 12:25 only. Our clock is 10 minutes fast. If you know the reasons, okay? Just to go early to college and early for everything, we just put 10 minutes fast. I don't know why I'm saying that right now. So the topic is कि I'm done with maths, and today I've completed that whole maths practice book and I've started a new one. Done with today's work. Let's hope for the best for tomorrow's exam. Tomorrow morning also I have a little bit time. I'll be doing the previous year papers, and let's see what all I can do in the morning. Wish me luck for exam.
The next day.
So the next day, as I said, I was practicing or solving the previous year papers, and my stress level was at peaks. I don't know if this happens with me or everyone, but even though I've studied everything, I was stressed a lot, but I tried to calm down myself and went to the exam with a smiling face, and honestly the exam went on pretty well.
ठीक है, और इसमें हम एक और पैरामीटर दे रहे हैं. वो क्या होगा? वो होगा लास्ट मीन. और यहाँ पे फिर हम क्या करेंगे? लास्ट मीन को भी प्रिंट कर देंगे.
After maths, the next exam was Python programming, and after each exam we had a one-day holiday to prepare for the next exam. And this is the time when I revised all the topics which I learned in these 6 months. So the main ideology behind my preparation is that first thing what I do is I take a topic and I try to understand what the topic is about. Like I read it from the textbook or I research online, and first thing is कि मुझे वो समझ में आना चाहिए कि what that topic is about. When I'm clear with the explanation, the second thing which I do is frame an answer. Frame a good, cute, beautiful answer which I'm gonna write in the tomorrow's exam. So the basic funda is that you're writing the answer which you have understood. The marks you're getting depends on the answer which you write. So once you've understood the concept, you can write the answer in your own style. So telling the answer to yourself has a huge impact on what you'll write in the exam. So in this way, I look into a topic, I go through it, I understand the concept, tell the answer to myself, and that's what I write in the exam. So, a quick update from morning, I've been completing the uncompleted topics. Like, I've been browsing a lot and I've mostly completed all the topics, but abhi mujhe revision karna baki hai. I have to go all over from first lesson and see what are the questions, what are the topics, tell to myself about every topic. And I've been procrastinating a little bit from morning. Like, after studying for a while, I'm feeling like bahut pad liya, and yeah, just procrastination and productivity both are going on at a time. And he's the inventor of Python programming. He's Gudio Van Rossum. He has been staring at me from morning ki pad lo and but I was not listening to him. I'm like, okay, and now also I've started to procrastinate, but then I remembered that मुझे full marks लाने हैं Python में. So I don't know why I'm speaking a lot. So let's just start studying. क्या तो करती मालूम मुझे. हेलो गाइस, हेलो. वॉइस निकाल को रखती हूँ क्या? मैंने relish this. Bye guys. Sara.
The next day.
So guys, Python exam is done and we are going home. Bye. So Python exam also went on well. I was happy with it, and after coming home I took a nap and I rested for the whole day because next 2 days were holidays. One day was a preparation holiday and the other day was a Sunday.
The next day.
Look at the beautiful rain guys. Exams के time पर कई कोई से बारिश होती थी. Oh, just I wanna enjoy this season, but I have to cover a lot of syllabus guys. It's so hectic. The weather was so cool, but the day was going pretty boring because I didn't have any mood to enjoy, just study and exams. That was only roaming in my mind, but I honestly didn't want to study. But to make this day interesting, I thought of shooting a short video, so I kept my phone to time lapse and started covering some of the topics of digital electronics. Hello friends, chai pee lo. I uploaded that shot and did a bit of time pass, and then I had a 1 hour productive study session of digital electronics. This was basically a practice session in which I practiced some of the topics like K-maps, SOP, POS, drawing the circuits, etc. And that day ended just like that.
The next day.
The next day was my OS exam, so I was just studying and preparing that day. I didn't shoot that much.
The next day.
Hello, good morning. It's 9 a.m. and now I'm revising the previous year question papers and I'm like, what is going on in this? ये क्या चल रहा है? They are so application oriented and everything is theory based, but it is practical. Like, I'll give you examples and I'll explain this sentence which I've just told. Even though I've completed my revision of all the chapters, I'm still afraid because by seeing those question papers. I have time till 2 p.m. I think I will just do it. Okay, so let's start.
previous year papers had a lot of sums for 8 marks, these sums were theory based only. They were related to the topic, but they had some specific logic behind them. Learning these things before the exam was actually stressful, but I managed to complete them in time.
Hello everyone. Today is 7th of October.
What?
October nahi, November yaar. Today is 7th of November and tomorrow I have my D and CO exam for which I am preparing. I've started my preparation. Currently it's 11:15 and yeah, that's just the update that I'm starting my revision. So I studied for half an hour and I went to have lunch. Now it's time to get serious with this subject. Now it's almost 1 a.m. in the evening. 1 a.m. in the evening? What? So it's almost 1 p.m. and now I'm aiming to do a 3-hour session, study session. Let's see how far I'll do. I've never done this, okay? I know I'll be taking breaks, but you know, let's do this. Let's complete the revision, okay?
A few moments later.
So guys, I feel completely exhausted right now and मेरे सारे D के topics, I've revised all the D topics. Now I'll take a small power nap. I'll come back and I'll start my revision of D and CO together once again. I'll start with CO and then I'll go back to D. I hope I'll complete it in time and I have to revise the previous year papers also. So let's hope for the best. For now, let's take a power nap.
Then I started studying seriously for the exam. Meanwhile, I was having some snacks, I was taking breaks, and study session went on pretty well. Honestly, I was a bit scared for this one, so I made my preparation more stronger. I was stressfully studying. Suddenly, I get a call from my friend, and this is what happened.
So guys, you know what just happened? Oh my god. Revealing the good news / bad news, guys. Tomorrow is band, okay?
What?
Tomorrow we don't have exam and our exam is postponed to 22nd. The tentative date is 22nd. So by hearing the news, I was actually so sad and I'm also happy. I don't know why. Mixed emotions. I'll show you what I've done today. Literally, I've been studying for so long and I've completed CO and D also. I've completed half of the revision. And the day was so hectic. And anyways, today was a very, memorable day.
So now we have to prepare for DBMS exam. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow also we will be preparing for that. We've got extra time for this exam.
Yeah, that was what I want to tell. So let's go for dinner. It's not 1. The clock has stopped. Actually, it's 11 o'clock, I guess. 11 p.m. So I'm going for dinner. Bye.
The next day.
The next day we had rotis for breakfast and it is my duty to cook the rotis every time we make rotis at home.
Junaid, dalna roti. So it's 5:30 in the evening and it's still raining. Wow. इतनी बारिश में कौन पढ़ाई करेगा यार?
So that was a wholesome rainy day as it was raining from morning till evening and I had another day to prepare for the exam, so I was preparing relaxedly.
Good morning. 3 more hours for exam and I'm in my uniform and now I am studying for the exam. Obviously I'll do that only.
And the last exam was also done. I wrote this one also pretty well. Finally, the exams are over, but still we have one postponed exam. Anyways, the third sem is finally over and it was a beautiful semester. This brings a mix of relief and accomplishment. It's like finishing a big puzzle or reaching the end of a very big challenging game. All the memories of this semester are unforgettable and we are gonna miss these days a lot. And so the semester ended and that comes to the end of this video. I hope you all liked it. You see, making these videos takes up a ton of time, effort and energy, and subscribing in just 2 seconds would make up my whole day. So please do consider subscribing, and yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you all liked it. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all in the next video. Until then, take care and bye-bye.